Hello and welcome to Transparent Assignment Design. This year, Salt Lake Community College is facilitating multiple projects that each require a close look at the assignments that we provide to our students. First, there's an upcoming assessment looking at critical thinking that will be facilitated through Tom Zane's Learning Outcomes Assessment Office and Faculty Senate Student Learning Outcomes and Assessment Committee, otherwise known as SLOA. Next, there's an AAC&U grant that is funding our general education mapping project. And third, there's year 2 of our effective communication learning outcome assessment that examines signature assignments. You may be participating in one or more of these projects this semester. To get ready for that work, please take the next few minutes to watch this video, which will apply transparency strategies to assignment design. Most of us have never been explicitly taught how to create assignments that will help our students succeed. So we most often replicate what we experienced when we were students. If we figured it out, our students should be able to as well. But that's not necessarily the case. Studies have shown that assignment content and design have an impact on student performance. In fact, the Transparency in Learning and Teaching Project has declared that transparency is fundamentally an issue of equity. Transparent assignments reduce achievement gaps for students from underrepresented backgrounds. This video will address transparency in general, but you can create transparency in any assignment. SLOA and Tom Zane's office have multiple rubrics to help you with this, and the Writing Across the College program provides a transparent writing assignment template in digital form and through Canvas's Design Tools function. Reach out to either office for more information on these resources. Okay, transparency. It's a pretty simple concept. A transparent assignment provides students with not only what they need to do, but why, how, when, where, and for whom as well. A transparent assignment explicitly shares your reasons and thinking with students instead of them having to guess or wonder. There are 7 factors in a transparent assignment: context, purpose, audience, product, process, what you'll turn in, and expectations and evaluative criteria. The first factor, context, explains the circumstances that surround the assignment and how it fits in with the course. Feel free to take a moment to pause the video to read this example. The second factor, purpose, explains why you are asking students to do this assignment. It might explain how the assignment is relevant to the student's learning, career, or personal goals. It can explain what you expect students to demonstrate through this assignment. The third factor, audience, lets students know who they are addressing with their work. This should be specified even if it's an imagined audience or it's just you, their teacher. Being aware that they are producing something for someone's consumption and not just into a void makes a big difference. Articulating what that audience might need or expect provides even more useful information. Next is the product that you are asking students to produce. Put a name on what it is they should end up with. This information allows students to anticipate and envision what they are working towards. If possible, provide examples of previous student work. The next factor is process. Process or instructions detail the steps and tasks that are needed to complete the assignment. So methodically think through what you expect students to do and articulate each step and their deadlines. Next is what you'll turn in. This factor reiterates the product and also explains how the student will submit it to you. This helps them envision their end goal. Finally, clear expectations and evaluative criteria are essential in a transparent assignment. Like anyone, students need to know what is expected of their work. Sometimes expectations can be difficult to articulate because we've not been taught how to do it. This is where previous examples can be useful. Look at how you have evaluated previous assignments and note what elements led to different evaluations. Include those elements in your evaluative criteria. The more specific you can get with your evaluative criteria, the better prepared your students will be to meet them. Including all of these factors in your assignments will increase their transparency, which will in turn increase equity for your students. Take this knowledge with you as you participate in the assignment projects this year, and remember that you are not on your own. Your colleagues, the Faculty Development Office, SLOA, and the Office of Learning Outcomes Assessment, and Writing Across the College are all available to provide you with support and feedback. We can do this work together.